Bunnies, welcome back to the channel where I'm not liked by many but loved by God. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this. I want to show y'all real quick something that I found on clearance that I'm going to put in the Prepper's Pantry. Okay, so if y'all see this, I don't know if Walmart or some of these other places have it. I do not know, but I know I got it from my food line. The brand may be in some of y'all areas if you don't have a food line, so let me go ahead and show you. It's these right here, honey bunnies. Look at this, minced garlic, lemon, and basil. Okay, these was marked down in my area for $2. Okay, this is the 8 ounce, so I'm gonna be needing this for Amazing Grace 2.0 because I got some treats for y'all over there on that channel. That it's gonna be my indoor garden channel from here on out because I'm doing Amazing Grace Garden over here. So I'm gonna be using this on that channel today. Okay, so this is minced garlic and red chili pepper. Okay, and then I just got some of this regular minced garlic and olive oil, but I wanted to show y'all this because it do not expire until 2026. Let me turn this around. Until 2026. You see that? All those. So these are a good stock up buy, okay, for the Prepper's Pantry, for my emergency pantry. Okay, and I'm gonna go back and see if they have. I think I left a couple on the shelves, but I'm gonna go back and see if they have some more because for $2 you can't beat that. That is a good buy. There, honey bunnies, I got more stuff to put in the Prepper Pantry. Okay, so find stuff when it's on sale, when it's clearance out, when it's marked down, and you'll have a big Prepper Pantry before you know it. With that being said, I'm gonna end it here. Y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's God's will. Bye.